Hi, my name is Adriana Becerra, and I will be presenting a technology integrated lesson plan for second grade about the life cycle of a butterfly. So the content standard that I will be covering will be Life Sciences 2.2a. Plants and animals have predictable life cycles. Students know that organisms reproduce offspring of their own kind and that the offspring resemble their parents and one another. So the objective is students will be able to understand the sequential stages of life cycles, and students will learn about what a life cycle is, and they will learn about the life cycle of a butterfly in particular. The students will have direct instruction where they are introduced to the lesson through text by reading The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. After, students will get into groups and work in centers, and that is where I will integrate technology. I will have students work on SeeSaw, and they will do lessons where they will watch a video to learn about butterfly life cycles in depth, and they will also do another lesson where they will be illustrating or dragging pictures to complete the butterfly life cycle, and then they will upload a video telling me 4 things they know about butterflies. So we start the lesson by getting everybody's attention and calling them to the carpet area to introduce the text. I will let the class know we will be reading The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies, and I will put the cover on the Elmo. And I will ask students what they think this story will be about, and I will ask them questions about what they know about butterflies and what they know about life cycles so I can get their background knowledge on the subject. As I read the book, we will go throughout the text and stop at key vocabulary words. I will introduce the words and say them easier for them to understand, and we will discuss checking for understanding. After we are done reading the book, I will let the students know that we will be working in stations, and I will explain what each station is about and have students repeat the instructions back to me so I know that they understand what they're going to do. So at every station, students will be applying the knowledge of what they learned in the text into their projects. And there will be a writing center. Students will write sentences using key vocabulary words. I will also have a reading station where they can have an option of reading books related to butterflies, or I can read aloud text that they will be able to understand according to their grade level. There will also be a coloring station where students will label and color different parts and stages of a butterfly life cycle. And then for the computer integrated part of the lesson in the computer lab, we will be on SeeSaw, and this can be instructions given each time students cycle, or they can be given in the beginning as well. And students will watch a video that will be real life instead of just cartoons or illustrations like in the story. And after that, they're prompted to take the assessment part where they can illustrate the stages of the life cycle, and then they are to record themselves presenting 4 things that they know about this topic. And I can give a link in my lesson plan, but it looks like something really easy for second graders to do. So this should only take about 15 minutes for each station, and after everyone takes their turn, they will be able to move on to the next part of the day.